Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll quickly go ahead and see the difference between the four types of paste options that are available inside of Microsoft Word. And understanding this will be very helpful if you're basically copying text from one document to another document and you're trying to retain the theme that is present on one document in another document, or you're trying to bring it to the theme of the new document. And this theme that I'm referring to can basically consist of the formatting options that have been used on your text, be it the text color or the text style, or whether it has been made bold or italicized, etc. Firstly, in order to find these paste options, you will need to come into the home tab of Microsoft Word, and within that you will see a clipboard section where you'll see a section called as paste, and below that you're going to see a drop down, and if you click on the drop down you'll find the four options. Now before we get started, I've already pasted some text just as an example to get started, and I also have some text pasted in another document as a sample in order to understand these four types of paste options. So let's get started. Firstly, let's say that this is the document that I'm working on and I have just pasted some story over here, and I want to bring some text from somewhere else and paste it over here. But before that, let's just say that I don't really like the fact that it's just plain text in black color and it doesn't look very interesting to me. So I'm going to select all of it and apply some formatting options, which I will be applying from the font section over here. So over here I can obviously go ahead and change my text style, font style, right? So I can just maybe start making it look a little different. This is my new font style that I'm choosing, and maybe I don't like how big it is, so I'm just going to go ahead and reduce the size a little bit, and I don't like the color, so maybe I'll just change it to purple. Yeah, so this is what the new formatting looks like. So I've gone ahead and applied some formatting options over here. Now let's say that I have a specific paragraph over here on another document that I want to bring and paste onto my original document that I'm working on, but let's just say that this has some formatting options applied to it as well. Right now you can just see that it's in the regular default Calibri mode, but let's just say that I wanted it to be in some other text style. Let's just say maybe I want Arial narrow, and I did want it to be in bold and also italicized over here. And let's say the color of this text, say it was green, and maybe the text size was a little bigger. So you can notice that the formatting style of this specific text is Arial narrow, 16, bold and italicized, and the text color is green. These are the main styles that I've applied. And the formatting style of this page, entire page, not just this text, if you've seen, I've also selected this area. So the entire page over here is a text style called Avenir, and the size is 11, and the color of this text has been changed to purple. So these are the formatting styles that I've applied to my destination document. So we're going to refer to this document as, let's just say, the source document where from which I'm pasting the text. Now let's say that from this document I want to paste this specific paragraph that is there onto the new document that I'm working on. I have copied it onto my clipboard. I have done Control C on my keyboard, or you can go ahead and click on the copy over here. So I'm going to go inside of my destination document, and let's just say that I want to paste it over here. And I'm going to illustrate the first option of the paste option, which is called as keep source formatting. So where do you find this? As I've mentioned, there's a drop down for the paste options over here, and here you will see that there are four options over here, and the first option is called as keep source formatting. So basically what the keep source formatting option does is that whatever formatting has been applied to your source, that same formatting is going to be retained over here. What do we mean by that is that my source basically has Arial narrow, bold, italics and green in color, but my destination is purple in color with some other form of text, and 11 is the text size. Now when I say keep source formatting, what it's going to do is that it's going to retain all the formatting. When I paste it over here using the first option, which is called as keep source formatting, you will notice that the entire formatting that's present on my source, which is Arial narrow, 16, bold, italics and green, has been copied. So the entire text will be copied along with the source formatting, and that's what the first option means. Now the next two options that we'll discuss is called as the merge formatting option and the keep text only option. These two options are quite similar with just one difference. When we say merge formatting, what's going to happen is my source text has a formatting of Arial narrow, 16, bold and green, whereas my destination has purple in color with these formatting options applied. So when I say merge formatting, what it's going to do is it's going to keep all the text, but the formatting style will be that of my destination, and it's going to actually merge the two. When we say merge, what it basically means is that it is going to merge most of the formatting styles with that of the destination, except for a couple of options. For example, in our original text, what we've done is we've also applied bold and italics. However, in my destination, I have not made it bold and italics. So what it's going to do is it's actually going to merge the two styles together, and it's going to bring about a majority of the formatting options from your destination, but it's going to merge it with a few formatting options from the source. And a list of those few formatting options are, if at all you have applied any bold or italics, or you have underlined the text, or if there are any bullets applied over there, then what the merge formatting is going to do is it's going to apply a majority of the styling from your destination, which is this, while retaining a few of the source formatting options, which include, if it has been made bold or italics or underlined, it's going to retain those. So let's paste it using this option and see what happens. So when you click on the drop down here, now you'll see that option number 2 says merge formatting. So when I click on merge formatting, what it's now done is that it has merged most of the formatting style with the destination, which is the font style and the size, and any other formatting that has been applied over here will be applied to my copied text, while keeping or merging it with certain other features that have been present in the source. Bold and italics will alone be retained, and everything else will be merged with the destination formatting. Now when we say keep text only, what is going to happen is that it is going to strip the entire formatting of my original source text, which means that from my original source text, it is going to remove everything, including the bold, including the italics, any kind of formatting that has been applied to my original source text. It is going to remove all of that and keep just the text and apply the formatting that is present on my destination document only. So if you want the entire text that you're pasting to look completely like your destination document without retaining anything like bold or italics or even underline, then what you can do is you can use the keep text only option. Now you'll notice that including the bold or the italics or anything that I've applied on my source has been removed. Everything has been removed completely, and it has just applied the exact formatting options that are present on my destination document. And the only difference between merge formatting and keep text only is merge formatting is going to bring it to the entire destination theme itself, while retaining a few features such as keeping it bold or keeping it italics, if at all it is present inside your source text. And coming to the last option, which is paste as a picture, let's just say, for example, instead of a text this time, let's just say that I have a tabular content over here, and this is in the form of text, if you can see, because I can edit this. However, let's just say that I want to copy this entire table, and this time, instead of copying it as plain text in my destination folder, I just want to copy it as an image, because let's just say that I want to paste it in a document where I don't want people to edit the text inside my table. I want to freeze it as is, and I just want it to be pasted as a picture so that people can refer to it but not edit it. In that case, what I can do is I can come over here and I can use the fourth paste special option, which you will find over here, which is called as a picture. I can click on picture, and what you'll notice is that the entire table, which was in a text format, has now gotten inserted in a format of a picture or an image. So it cannot really be edited anymore. It can only be formatted using the picture format options, which is you can go ahead and crop or do other picture formatting options. And I have a separate video on how you can insert images and also edit images. If you want to explore the various picture editing options that are available, then you can go ahead and watch that full length video. You can find a link to that in the description box below. But coming to the paste options, these are the 4 paste special options that we have discussed, which is keep your source formatting, so paste the text as it is using the source formatting as is. There's merge formatting, where things like bold, italics and underline will be retained from the source formatting, and the rest of it will be merged with the formatting of your destination document. And keep text only, where all the formatting that has been applied to your source document will be stripped off, and it will be applying only the formatting options of your destination document. And your fourth option, which is paste your text as a picture. So these are the 4 paste special options that are available. So do give it a try and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I'll definitely try and help you out. Until then, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.